I just want to go quickly. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Outre. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now today's video is gonna be real easy because I got people to do and things to see.
Wait a minute. You're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Wait. people to see, things to do. There we go. Hey babe. So we're gonna go ahead and style this unit together. It is a Converti Cap, so if you are not here for the Converti Caps, go ahead and skedaddle, okay? Because I know y'all don't be liking the Converti Caps all the time, and y'all also don't be liking cheap wigs. And I don't understand that, because, you know, it's like, it's cheap, it's affordable, it's, you know, it's cute. But, you know, if you don't like it, then, you know, whatever. But it's okay. I'm still gonna give the looks, I'm still gonna give you the tea, and you can decide for you whether or not you want to get this wig or not. And excuse my natural hair, I told y'all I'm on a journey and I'm already seeing progress, so get into it, okay? But before we get into all that, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, let me open up this joint right here. I think I want to do an all-out style, and then I want to do an up style, but we'll see. Little ASMR action. I like that. I love ASMR, y'all, especially like the hair brushing. I just imagine that it's me, and I love getting my hair brushed. So, you know, Ken, you want to go ahead and brush my hair later? Maybe. We'll talk about it later. Y'all like brushing my hair or hair pulling, that kind of stuff? Not that type of hair pulling, okay? I don't like that, but like, you know, soft, easy hair pulling, I like that. It's very soothing, okay? Anyway, so the wig we are talking about today is from, like I said, Outre Converti Cap series. This is the unit Tropical Tendrils. I got her in the color DR2GingerBrown, and this unit does retail around that $20 price point depending on where you shop. It does come in special colors, so if you want to check that out, you can. But I'm sticking with this color because my girl Brittany, aka the Hearts and Cake 90, or I Fancy Cupcakes, however you know her, she tried this color in another Outre Converti Cap wig, and I just had to have it. It just looks so good. Who was that? Kenny?
Hey, baby.
And this color was banging on her. So I am just excited. Hold on, focus on the hair. There we go. I'm just excited about this color, y'all. I feel like it is perfect for fall. She got a longer unit, but you know, they didn't have that one, so that's why I chose the shorter one. So first I need to put on my wig cap. I greased my scalp last night. I've been using my my baby don't be bald. Push it back, way back. This Converti Cap comes with all the normal construction. So it has the one comb in the middle, two combs on the side. Then you turn it around, it has the one comb in the back with the adjustable drawstring. No adjustable straps on here. So if you need to tighten it down, you adjust that drawstring if you need to. I'm just gonna pop this unit on my head. No wig grip right now. Everyday look, yes. All right, let me tighten it down in the back. I can get it. There we go. Now I need to, let me bump up some of my, bring out some of my hair like this. I need to use my edge control. Whatever edge control you got will work, okay? The edge control in there. Styling and profiling, real easy, real easy. And if you don't have edges, don't worry, you can wear this as a full up headband wig, just like she did, okay? She had hers with a headband on. So no excuse, okay? Rock your wigs how you wanna rock your wigs. That's how we doing it? I think so. Okay, I didn't pull out all the hair. I just kind of, you know, bumped it out. The rest of my ends are still under the wig, but it's giving the illusion that it's all out. Y'all see that? You see it, you see it. I'm in a good mood today, y'all. Let me just make sure this is down how I want it. Fluff the hair out, Bring it up a little bit. Here we go, here we go. Let me do a little bit of makeup, okay? So makeup is done. Hair is fluff. Let's get it messy. I think we got it how I want it. This is cute. I don't got no lip gloss on. Wait a minute. I can't be going out with my lips dry. Got that juicy mouth. Don't at me. I don't know. Let me spray me down one more time. Feel that breeze. Y'all, what we thinking? Put my glasses on, make sure I can see. Let me see what y'all seeing. Okay. Okay. Ooh, my forehead is This is the natural way. Let her be how she being, cause yeah, she out there. How you doing? She cute. Okay, I love this color. Brittany, thank you. Thank you for showing this color on natural hair because I really do like it. And it blends really well. This has a dark root on it, does it? Now if I wanted to kind of like pin her up like this, let me see. There's my clip. Twist it, twist it. I just pulled all the hair up, y'all. Nothing crazy. Y'all, get these wigs. Let me turn to the side. Y'all see the potential of this wig? Yes. Okay? And you just bring it down. Bring the sides down so you don't see all that, okay? Get it together. Can you do the middle part? Let me see. If you want to do like a little headband, you can definitely do that. If you want to rock her in the middle, just kind of pull her up some. It's already cut in like a little layer, so you don't gotta worry about cutting anything. Ooh, y'all, this is cute. If you want to part in space, just part it, okay? Just part your little situation right here. Bring it over like that. Bring it over like that to make it, give the illusion that it's a part. Put some makeup in there if you want to. I'm gonna go ahead and do that so I can show y'all what I'm talking about. But you know, go ahead and lighten it up like that. Y'all see how this is looking? Okay. None of my actual hair is out. I mean, you see this right here, my hairline is out, but my actual hair is still under my wig cap and this Converti cap. So let me just say, none of my ends are out, okay? I don't got no ends. My ends are under the wig. Okay, this is cute. This is cute, y'all. I love how this looks on me. My little glasses, my earrings, my little top. It's giving me all the fall vibes, and I like that for me. And it's easy to style. Okay, 5 minutes. When it's getting cold outside, I don't got time to be doing a whole bunch of lace. Okay, I want to put my wig on, bundle up, and go. I just want to go. Quickly, quickly. Let me turn to the back so you can see it all down. Okay. The curls are, oof, the curls are so cute. And it's a nice density. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. The texture is definitely giving off more of a silky texture, but it doesn't feel silky to the point that it feels stringy. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's where I'm going with this. Outre, you got this texture right for this curl pattern. It is cute, I like it, and I'm gonna get me another one. I'm gonna get me another one. Like it's the whole look for me. It's the whole look, yes. Y'all let me know what you think about this one. Okay, let me know down below what you think about this one. I didn't cut nothing. I didn't, you saw what I did. Why am I explaining? Okay, I even pulled it up in like a little ponytail right here. My hair is still tucked up under this wig. Okay, I didn't pull nothing out. Laid down my edges again. All right, nothing crazy. Bring it forward like this. Yeah, y'all, listen, this is cute. I like the color and the color likes me. Okay, we go together.
Real bad.
Yeah. I am here for this look on me. And again, no ends are out, okay? Your ends are still protected under your wig. I am ready to go. Okay, Ken, I'm on the way. So that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Outre for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link and my specs down below, so if you guys want to check this unit out, you can. I suggest that you do so because, hello. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.